Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can make a print-ready business card using only CorelDraw. Start by launching the CorelDraw program. Remember, I am using CorelDraw 2021 version. My user interface might be a little different from yours. Click on this icon to start a new document. Click OK. Press E on keyboard to switch to Zoom tool and zoom on document. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Set the width of this rectangle to 3.5 inches and height to 2 inches as shown in this video. Use the freehand tool to create a shape as shown in the video. Select the shape tool and click on this icon to select all nodes of shape. Convert this shape into a curve. Use shape tool to adjust the shape of this curved object as shown in video. Click and drag from lower left corner and click right mouse button and release to create a copy of the object as shown in video. Create a second copy using the same method. Select the two objects as shown in video and use the trim option to cut out a portion of an object using the shape of another object. Repeat the same step to make other objects. Select all these objects and position them on each business card as shown in the video. To make the video short, I have already designed the data for business card. Fill the objects using the color scheme shown in the video. Select the objects and again and remove their outline. Position the logo of brand as shown in video. Create a copy of these objects and place them above and below the brand or company logo as shown in the video. One side of business card is ready, now we shall design the other side. Copy the same rectangle we used to lay out the front side of business card. Divide it into two equal pieces. Copy the shape from front of the business card and place it on the back side. Change the color of one side of business card to black color. Copy the brand logo and change its color from black to white as shown in video and place it on the half black side of business card. Select the contact details and place them on the black side of business card as shown in the video. Select the name and designation of the person and place them on the right side of the business card as shown in the video. Select the barcode and place it on the right side of the business card as shown in the video. Now our business card is ready to be printed. Please subscribe our channel for more tutorials on graphic design.